Hi, I'm Mickey. I bought a premium food intolerance test back in September. Pretty simple. I followed the directions and went on the site and processed my hair and sent it in the way that they suggested, and then mailed it and sent it so that I could track it. And I got back results in I think about 4 to 6 days, and it was very insightful. I was looking to find out what foods I was and other items that I might be coming in contact with that could be causing me intolerances, and it was very insightful. There were several things that I absolutely love, and I've tried to cut it out because I got a red on them, and so I would highly suggest it. Try it at least once, and I've been trying to improve my health from those results, and I really appreciate the ability to do that. Thank you.